Hello students, welcome back to the chapter ITF. Okay, so you know the full form of ITF, Inverse Trigonometric Function. So I'm simply writing as ITF. So today we will deal with the properties of ITF. Okay, what are the properties? So here are some properties and I will tell you how to learn these properties. Okay, suppose if I have written the first property which is sin inverse minus x. कल मैंने आपको बताया था कि ये हम किसकी ग्रुपिंग कर रहे हैं, साइन की ग्रुपिंग कर रहे थे, कॉसेक की ग्रुपिंग कर रहे थे और टैन की ग्रुपिंग कर रहे थे। कल हमने माइनस पाई बाई टू जीरो पाई हमने जो ग्रुपिंग करी थी, हमने बताया था कैसे हमारा क्या क्या हम याद कर सकते हैं। तो हमने ग्रुपिंग सिखाई थी, तो हमने साइन कॉसेक और टैन को एक साथ रखा था। अगर हम इसका फॉर्मूला देखें तो साइन इनवर्स माइनस एक्स का होगा माइनस साइन इनवर्स एक्स माइनस कॉसेक इनवर्स एक्स and minus tan inverse x. Similarly हमने और तीन की ग्रुपिंग कराई थी। वो तीन क्या थे हमारे थे cos inverse minus x, sec inverse minus x और हमारा था cot inverse minus x। ये तो इजिली आपको याद हो जाएगा। इसका है पाई माइनस cos inverse, पाई माइनस sec inverse and pi minus cot inverse. Why it is pi minus, how you will remember it? You have seen yesterday we have made like this minus pi by 2, 0, pi by 2 and pi. So what we have done, we have seen that these three are from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. They go from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And these three which we have made the grouping, it is from 0 to pi. So that's why it is easy to learn that it will be pi minus cos inverse, pi minus sec inverse and pi minus cot inverse. Now the next few properties are like this. It will be like suppose we have to write like this. Now we will write about the sin inverse x plus cos inverse x like this. Okay, so what we will write, sine, as we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. We have learned the property tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equals to pi by 2, and we have learned the property sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equals to pi by 2. These properties also you have to remember it. Okay, so we will see these properties. Suppose we have written, I will write the properties sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. Okay, just don't go to the writing because I'm writing in a pen tab, so it will take time for me. So tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equals to pi by 2, and which I have discussed sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equals to pi by 2. These are also the properties. Some I will discuss few more properties. Okay, so the next property, which is I think very important from the exam point of view, it will be tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, which is equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, and the most important condition which you have to remember is, which I am writing here, xy should be less than 1. I will explain few questions based on these properties. Okay, and the next property is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, which is equals to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, in which the condition is xy should be greater than minus 1. These are the properties which I have to discuss. Okay, and these are very important, and these are the properties which are in NCERT also. So these are few properties, and few more properties I have to explain, that are, suppose I'm writing something 2 tan inverse x. One formula I'm writing tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x, I can write it as tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square and I will write the condition also. Okay. Next, 2 tan inverse x formula should be like this. 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse, sorry, it will be sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Similarly, another formula, 2 tan inverse x will be equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Now you will be thinking that how we will learn these formulas. So the step is that you have to just learn this part. For 2 tan inverse x, you will learn this part, 2x upon 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square. Okay. Then what you will do for sine, what you will do, you will just change the sign of this. If it is for tan, it is minus, so you will put the plus sign. Now for cos, as you know that what sorry, I have not written the condition of this, where x lies between minus 1 and like this, and here x is always greater than equal to 0 for this third condition. So as you know that tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. So this tan theta value is given, sin theta value is given. You will substitute here and you can easily find the value of cos theta. So this formula arises from there only. Now I will prefer few questions based on this. Suppose if I have written one question, like this. Written a question, sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equals to 2 pi by 3. Then you have to find the value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. You have to find the value. So what you will do, as we have discussed the properties, the previous slides, what we have done, we know that sine inverse x, suppose I am writing the formula here like this. I have discussed the formula sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. So in place of sine inverse x, I can write like this, sine inverse x is equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Similarly, in place of sine inverse y, I can write pi by 2 minus cos inverse y. So, in place of sine inverse x, what I will write, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. In place of sine inverse y, I will write pi by 2 minus cos inverse y, which is equals to 2 pi by 3. Okay, now I will open the bracket, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x plus pi by 2 minus cos inverse y is equals to 2 pi by 3. So these pi by 2 will be added. It will be 2 pi by 2, which is pi minus, I will take minus sign common from cos inverse and cos inverse x and cos inverse y. I will simply write it as like this. So when I transpose this cos inverse x plus cos inverse y with a negative sign, it here, so it will become positive, and this 2 pi by 3 will come here. So it will become cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equals to 2 pi by 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, this 2 pi by 3 has came here. It was with positive sign. It will come negative, pi minus 2 pi by 3, and this negative will go here and it becomes positive. So pi minus 2 pi by 3, it will be, you will take the LCM, pi minus 2 pi by 3, you will take the LCM. It will be like 3 will become in denominator, 3 pi minus 2 pi, it will be pi by 3. So what will be the value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y? It will be pi by 3. Few more questions we will discuss in the next video, okay, based on these properties only. Okay, I hope the properties are clear to you. Few more questions we will discuss on these videos in the next few more questions we'll discuss in the next video. I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment section. Thank you.